His Highness Honorable Dr. Ndubisi Peter Mba, the excellent governor of Enugu State. Please, ana m ekwu okwu a ka ọ hafụ ịbụ ọ bụrụ na ewe ndị iziri ji afa ga-abịa na ndị mmadụ ego ndị mmadụ bịa shọpụ m ugbu a na-ekwu na izi ihe ba narụ ndị ọbụla na-emedibi ego 300,000 na Nkanu everywhere ka ha na-eje tata ka ha bịa na my own shop. So what I'm doing this is to tell the whole world, tell the public, tell the public, today is April 1st. Troop of guys with the police bịa na my shop. Now how did he see in my shop? Not only the BC Peter Mbazi here, the governor of Enugu State, and the local government chairman of Nkanu West. So what I'm saying is this, because I can the government adron here, Ndane ma. Hagwai kai marano bundo ribi hena gagarabai. Loyobna no kwetiri we hona romana madi jafa mother name maybe afa mother. Naya na roll under in the BC Pitamba, the governor of Enugu State. One is not doing it. Although right. So this cry is a cry for the whole masses, not for me alone. Hence you get everybody and everybody 300, 200,000. Nima Naban, Nima Kuga, Nima Sheriff, Nima Maguse, Nima who about 300,000. Oh, you will go, you want photo, that's to you go. So I'm saying this thing for notice of for hearing of everybody. I have their record. I have their record. I have their name. I have the police name. So because God people now maybe here. God people now maybe governor here. Governor in our of my God people now maybe here. My secretary. God people now maybe a chairman local government here. Nobody never heard those things. I have their record. I have their picture. Even the police, I have their picture. Thank you.
I'm somebody with zero tolerance for operation. Alara meji anya afu ebe a na-emegbu mmadụ achọrọ m ya achọ na ndụ m. This bụ kita ị na-akwụ na video bụ ndị gọvanọ ziri ozi amara m na ha nwaziri onwe ha ịmago na obele ihe onwe ka gọọmenti si wee sị ka ha ka ha wepụta ofu ihe ka e wee mee gọọmenti Enugu State bịa ebe last year wee sị oke na everybody na-eme omenala dịbụ na-eme ihe dibịa ya bịa ka ha malụ ka esi emenya bụ ihe. And ewetakwala m video several ebe arrest go some people including one man onye dibia bịa tie mkpu bịa mee whistle blow in the sense that ndị Igbo na-akpọ ịta mmọnwụ kedu ihe ji weta mmụọ na somebody bịa na bịa si na anya ọchọ chọrọ igo atụere oweju bịa gịnị ka iji eme from there wee si na ọchọ enye nwunye nwanne ya nwoke na ha na-abụ nwe problem the guy wee tie mkpu wee mewe ihe dia. Nwetakwa ọnụ video ebe one dibia Enugu State ejide si kata ma onye mepe key okpochiri akpochi kata ma si were egbe gbagbuo ya. Kita government we beti anya we se na ya eme ka agwa census ka amala ndị bande that na ni na-eme omenala ni kwesịkwa na ịbịa ka checkmate ya mala ka isi emenya bụ ihe. Kita some people due to their ignorance and their pursuit for power agwa ngị na most of ndị Igbo niile ya na-ebi egbe 90% of them ji egbe aha ka egbe eme gịnị ka na oppress mmadụ 90% of them je uniform ka we nwe kene gini we na oppress ndị mmadụ into gaining respect na ha na nwe buro before 90% of them je that uniform ka ha we nwe ke gini na carry out their evil plans and the evil thoughts dị ha n'obi. Kita unu weje gbakwuru onye na-ele ihe omenala we si bịa na government sin ka government say the guy we say okay na unu tell ya people na sin unu tego paper. This is a very big challenge and I thank God that na education is not a scam. Mmadụ ịma his right gụwa akwụkwọ mala ebe ukwu kwa isi ọ bụrụkwa ndị ajụ na social media eme ọnụ eme noise that onwere ha ma n'isi. The man wee sị ha mejebe no ebe bịa zahụ ha filukwa ka ha gbole police mee the man this man kechilo ọka mmadụ ihe ọbụla na-eme nwee a little knowledge about the law mala your right. So this people barely had no, they went out in shame because somebody had me expect to have. And we come here when I done the back and government in yegi lulu in yeginisi. Even a babulo kiki we maybe good mad or make them mad. I am against oppression and wickedness because an injustice to one is an injustice to all. Government may invite Kamali Hineme. Come out and answer the government. Obuno nwere ihe na-ezo ezizachi nawa many dibia ejego government Anambra State jechana many ejego nke Enugu jechana mana ekwutezi okwu ndị mmadụ agbakasịwa na-eme operation na-eme ụbụrụ operation nwanne ihe ị na-eme dị genuine gọọmenti investigation ya hapụ gị ị na ebe ị na-ana so n'ezie na ka ndị eziri ozi ji wee walk out in shame. This video to gain a very educating in a moment and I'm name company name make sure you a little bit knowledge. This is an education is not a scam because you may take in a situation like this. Keziki yes John Wege. This man made this video I think I can celebrate again. You really did well for your people. God the one.
I'm asking you to come and collect money from my shop.
Yes.
To come and collect money from my shop. Talk now, start to your talk.
You can ask us to come here and you show us your license. After your license, if you don't have your license, you go with us. Which license? The license that covers you to say this. The license that directed
business permit.
We are not about business permit.
What are you asking?
We are for tradition.
Tradition of what?
Yes. Are you the one to ask me this?
Tradition of what?
What is here? What is here? We give you a notice paper and you didn't comply.
Oga, you did not give me a notice paper. You writing a note. Semo, this is the date. This is the secretary. This is the treasurer.
Then you ask. Then you try to come to.
Had it been your name is written there without
the name that is there is for local government. The name that is there is for state government. So you're supposed to comply to the local government. Then if it is not true with you,
call
then
the police. I want the police to say something. What do you want?
What do you want again?
Back the police memo address because it.
What do you want? You are
go back to memo address now. People,
okay, police go back.
Yeah.
Do you have?
You call the police. The police. They have to go there to memo address.
Why do you talk like that?
You have this. You call the policeman. Allow him to talk to me.
Okay. Sorry, my.
Oh, we had yesterday. Oh, meeting. Here I be meeting in my land. Talk to me there. Yes, now. No, I want every line in make all documented so that if I communicate with Peter Mbana, no man or yes in the room, fearing that no has in the room, they have been captured you. I will face anybody with a go direct, squarely. Obomo 50-50. So only when I Peter Mbana said, start to the talk. What? You obviously not Peter Mbana. You are from area command. See, okay, I'm here to welcome you. Oh yeah. If I in a way hidden to name, I don't know this now. Just a one. Okay. Attend. Okay, Victor, what's up? Wait. Don't stop me from making my business. Okay. Sorry. Not to get I'm begging. Wait now, I'm coming. In the team who know Kennedy. You man, we all we people will going to be in the team who know Kennedy. Let me land. Let me finish. If I don't touch the air, you not blame me. Let me land. Because I will pass up again. Have you seen me here before now? I can't wait.
No, the one I'm on. Yeah, Magoter is no. It's a wall. Okay.
Minister of Health. Can you like my listen? I'm Minister of Health. Every Minister of Health, you can I'm not a Adam Akwaike. I'm not a maker of this. I'm a member of Minister of Health. Yeah, Health. This is a member of Health. And I'm registered under ATPEST, a recognized organization that handle anything pertaining Libya. You do the license to hear and make them know.
Invite him to discussion. Never prove simple as that.
He made me invite him letter of invitation. My go again.
Go with us.
You are not inviting me. You can't arrest me.
Yes, we can.
Give me the arrest letter.
Okay.
Now you are calling me him man.
I need him a
Okay. Oboni my rugi na the gaga haga the me does it today. Ima ha oboni me. You tell me invite now. This man like you said now, sir.
Okay. No problem. Let's go to our office.
For invitation?
Yes.
I will come later. Not now.
When are you coming?
I'll come tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir.
The area commander is at the office waiting for you. He's the one.
I have his number.
You can call him.
No,
You can call him. You can call him.
I will be there. Thank you.
Okay. Well, let me call. Can you pause the video? Can you pause the
Stop your video, okay?
Come on, now, why? Take up a couple of what is the most all now?
Madam.
My name is
No, never.
You are listening to Madafana.
okay.
I'll go quick. I know.
You asked me to come. I said I'm coming tomorrow. I will call him. Okay, so you said I should come. I will call him. I will be there tomorrow.
I will call him. Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Fine, sir. Yeah, we at AK. There is one man. Mr. He said that he knows you. He has not complied with their. No, I'm coming, sir. Okay, I'm coming, sir. Okay. Okay.